What's going on, everyone? Welcome to EagleEyeFX, and in this episode, guys, I'll be going through my weekly overview, showing you from my watch list what I was looking at in the beginning of the week and how these trades have actually played out. So remember to show some love, guys, by hitting on the like button. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any video that we share on this channel. All right, so our first trade was Aussie, the Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar. So you can see that this is actually the 1 hour time frame. So there was this high over here. So I was actually expecting this market to come to this level over here, then maybe give me this double top before I can actually be interested in sell, and which means that you could actually take these short-term buys to this level over here, and once the market gets here and breaks and catches people on the wrong side of the market whereby they think it's going to continue going up, then you get your sells, then you just sell to this level over here. Of course, this is actually our 90%. I was actually anticipating for it to play all the way to this level over here. And look at what happened. Look at the trade. So you can see this is a trade. So it came all the way over here, right? This was actually the effect of news. Then you can see that it came all the way to this level 896.30. You can see that the same level 896.30 over there, and of course there was a structure here. If you go maybe to the 15 minutes time frame or the 5 minutes, you've actually gotten your entries, and then maximize over here. Maybe take if your break even, if you had once the market moved to this level here, if you had to place your break even on this level, then you'll be taken out. But if it was just somewhere around here, then you can see the market just played out, broke this level, and you can see that it has come all the way to this level, of which I'm actually anticipating that it might continue moving to the downside. Okay, so let's look at our second trade. So we had our second trade. This is it was AUDJPY. So you can see that we had this structure. Of course, this actually from the higher time frame, it broke out this level over here. We had 1, 2, 3, almost 4 touches, and then of course we missed this first move. This was a very beautiful place which we could have just entered on this level over here, but we actually missed this. Then we got where it was here. So you can see this was my projection that this market was coming to test this level over here before it continues going down. So you can see here also is that there's some sort of like a structure, some sort of like some small ascending structure, of which if you draw your trend line like this, you have seen that it have given you some 1, 2, 3 touches. Then we are moving to the downside, and look at what happened. You see, it came all the way here, gave us 1, 2, 3 touches, of which your sell limit will be placed over here, then your stop loss just above, and look, it played all the way. Of course, this could have taken people on break even, okay, or maybe you could have closed it somewhere around here, taken you out somewhere around here, or maybe you could have closed your trade somewhere around here. But you can see it came all the way to the entry, then it went to the downside. All right, then we had another trade. This was CADJPY. Same thing, we had an impulse move, we missed it on this level over here. There was another impulse move, we have entered here, but now we got this market where it was here. So I was actually looking for 1, 2, 3. I was actually waiting for this to come to this level so that I can be able to sell a high on this level over here, then my stop loss somewhere around there, then sell it to the downside. And you can see what happened. Came all the way to this level, even though it came almost close to our stop loss, but it was not hit. Maybe I have some few pips. Some people could have been taken out depending on the broker and the spread, but you can see that it moved, behaved the same way, came all the way to the entry, and then it played out there the downside. Of course, there was news, there was FOMO. That's why you're seeing these big moves and these big spikes like that. Then we had another one. This was a EURCAD. So EURCAD was actually on a descending structure, All right, we had 1, 2, 3 touches, and then it started moving to the upside. Of course, I was anticipating it to come to this level over here, break this level, catch people on the wrong side before it moves down. As you can see from my projection, I'll be interested in sales in this level because to give me 1, 2, and then maybe a third touch somewhere around here, then I'll sell off this thing to there. Either maybe target this level over here or target this level over here. And as you can see, it came all the way, though it never came all the way to this level over here. It came somewhere around here. Then you can see that it moved down, of which it might continue moving to the downside, or it may come and break this high a bit, then before it moves to the downside. And then the last but not the least, we have this. This is a very beautiful trade on NZDJPY, and you can see this is a daily time frame. So this was actually massive because this was a daily high. Once I saw this move over here, I was actually anticipating that this market is gonna break, maybe give me some pattern. A lot of people will enter buys because of this. You see, there's a very strong impulse move, and once it breaks, a lot of people will be caught thinking that, because of this strong impulse move, it's continued to the upside, and then the market comes down and sells all the way to my target will be this. Of course, you have to go to lower time frame, 1 hour or 15 minutes to find your entries. And as you can see, like just the way I was anticipating, you see it gave us some pattern over here. So if you go to the lower time frame, you see the structure very well. You can see that it broke actually this level over here, deceiving people that the market had broken this level. Then look at that, just sold massively all the way. We are talking about something almost like 500 pips or so, or a very high. This is a very high risk to reward, as you can see, with zero absolute, zero drawdown all the way to the downside. So guys, that is what we are looking at, and that is what we were looking at last week. So remember, if you want to join my VIP, I have actually a VIP Discord group. You can always hit me up on Telegram or whatever it is. You can follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, on whatever. Just send me and hit me up if you want to join my mentorship group, whereby we catch and then be able to, whereby we can be able to go through with you some of these trades. Then you can hit me. I shared some of these trades on my VIP group. Some people are able to take these trades, some of them are not able because of time difference and everything, but you can see that, of course, in the course of the week you will not miss out. These are actually 5 trades. Even if you miss one and you get one, you can see that these are very big returns that you can get on this trade. So guys, remember to show some love, remember to hit the like button, remember to hit the subscribe button, remember to turn on the notification bell, and remember you can actually hit me up on the link if you want to join my VIP Discord group. Of course, I have a free Telegram group whereby I share maybe one of these. I can actually decide to just give one signal for free, so you can actually check it out on the Telegram group. There's a free channel over there. You can go and check it out, and if you want to join the VIP, then that is when now you can hit me up, and then I can add you to the mentorship group. So thank you so much guys for watching. This is EagleEyeFX signing out.